So here we stand next to the grave of Kimber Cleaver. Kimber Cleaver was a coalfield surveyor and is actually responsible for the layout of the city of Shamokin. He surveyed and laid out all the road systems. He was a very humble man. He was actually injured as a child, had a very bad knee injury as a child, and back then, obviously, they don't have the orthopedic science that they have now, and he was left with a very bad limp, and it was very hard for him to get around. But not only did Kimber lay out the road work of the town, but he actually laid out the cemetery. He was the one that did the surveillance and everything for the cemetery. He chose this site, especially because of the view of the town. Because he did all the work in laying out the streets, the chief burgess and the city council at the time said, "We should name the main street after you. The main street in town should be Cleaver Street." And he said no, that he didn't want his name to be that prominent within the town. They said, well, you have to name at least one street after yourself. So he did. He chose a very small alleyway. It's a 2-block alleyway next to the Levins building in Shamokin, right off of Independence Street. And that little small ancillary alleyway is Cleaver Street.